Alright guys, currently at a gas station with the car. Looks pretty good. It's hella dirty though. About to meet up with Griffin and Sky to go to T-Sane. It's been a while, but it's like, look how much this costs now. You guys can see that. So rest in peace. Yeah, so it's pretty expensive. I think this is my third time filling up in like 2 days because it's running pretty rich. But I got another map. I have two maps right now, one from DK, Garage Life, and one from Ryan Heinrich. And I got my tuning laptop. It's gonna plug in here. Here's the cable to my ECU. I don't know if you guys see that, but there's the ECU. There's a cable. It's plugged into like USB like this into the PC, and I just have to load the maps. So I got a revised map from Ryan that's pretty much all open loop tuning. Close this real quick. All open loop. So I'll show you guys the difference between Daniel's base map, which is like, Daniel's map is really good. I love DK's tune. It's really rich because it's really safe. But oh my god, it's super loud when I when I hit rev limiter, like bangs and shoots all these fireballs. I'll show you guys. And then Ryan's tune's a little leaner. He got to do some open loop tuning for like an hour and a half. It's not fully tuned yet because I have to get a wideband cable to my ECU, which didn't come with the gauge pods. Because Socket Bomb they don't work with Adaptronics, so they're not used to like this setup. They usually do power FCs. Oh, it's only 8 gallons, dude. So yeah, I just ordered a $16 cable. It goes from my the wideband to the ECU, so Ryan can do closed loop tuning. That's how you actually tune it. He was just kind of guesstimating, so car runs okay, but it cuts boost at like 6 psi because it leans out, not leans out, but it goes, he set the safety at 12.7 AFR, which is really awesome of him. Honestly, the Adaptronic's such a big upgrade over the Power FC because it has all these safeties. Just keeping my car light, even in the base map, I feel like safe enough to just kind of cruise around, go a little, not fast, but you know, get on it a little bit. With Daniel's tune, I'm too scared to like step on it, but when I rev it in neutral, I mean, you guys saw in the last video that shit was banging, shit was shooting fireballs, it was throwing flames. So yeah, I'll show you guys the difference, but I gotta load it on first. I don't really know how. Alright guys, so the the fuel's primed right now. There's this old guy across the street asking for help. Oh, there we go. So yeah, this is Ryan's revised map. As you can see, it sounds a lot cleaner. It sounds so much cleaner compared to what it was on the old base map on Daniel's, because Daniel's running really rich. Like I said, nothing wrong with that. It's just his was for super safety, super safe for general status. But yeah, this one's running around 12.7 AFR, around 13, 12.7 to 13 AFR idle, which is still it's pretty rich, but you know, Ryan only had 2 hours to do some open loop tuning, so he dialed in a lot of just the cruising around. Daniel's was running at like 10.5, so that's why I was shooting big flames out the back, which is, in my opinion, that's awesome. I love it, but it's not entirely, well, the police don't like it, so we had to take that tune off for my own safety, well, for the car. I don't want to get impounded, so yeah, right now it's running okay. Everything feels good. Like I said, a boost cut after when I'm in boost, if the AFRs go over 12.7, Ryan threw that in, so about 2. Oh yeah, this boost, I need to cut this off too. This boost gauge is obsolete. I have the new swag. The new, oh no. Oh. Wait, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but there's like a burble tune on this. It's got a burble tune. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Alright, sorry bro. I'm popping right now, bro. I'm BMW, bro. I'm N54 gang. Yeah, I got a burble tune. Let me just download it off of my Android real quick. Oh, the car died. Okay, we are back in the right lane. Yeah, the car dies sometimes at idle because it's not tuned, obviously, 100% correctly. Basically what Ryan did was he set the fuel cut off on decel, so on deceleration the injectors are still going. Okay, this guy needs to stop waving me down, bro. The injectors are still going to lubricate the engine because I premix and my OMP is a little weak, so the problem is that at low RPMs it'll bog out and die because it's running so rich, and you can hear the burbles. Hold on. Oh yeah, see, so yeah, that's the safety that Ryan put in. He won't let me go over like 30% throttle. Honestly, good by him. Solid handicap, but yeah, it's just popping a lot. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's popping pretty hard. So, but yeah, I gotta go to Griffin's right now, meet up with him, and then head over to T-Saint. Alright guys, sorry I had to turn the camera back on for this one, but I'm driving and I got this stupid ass Charger with a Daytona sticker on it, trying to race me. Not really interested in racing right now. I just kind of want to get there, and I don't have a tune, but he's got this, yeah, like Daytona. I don't know what's going on, but he's got, I don't know if he's ever been to Daytona, but yeah, this stock Charger, which looks like a V6, he's trying to race me, and I'm not tuned right now, but if I was, I mean, I'd gladly take him to Gapplebee's, but you know, there's one of these moments where I'm like, I really wish I was tuned, because this guy really, just, you know, the guys with the Daytona or the NASCAR stickers on their stock muscle cars, it's just, sometimes I just gotta, yeah, it's okay, it's fine, we'll just go on with our night. We're just out here washing cars. Dude, Skylar just waiting. I guess I could go. Very nice. Is that a GT3? RS. RS? That's a Miata. Oh, it's a Miata? Wait, is it the 2022? Yeah. Okay, alright. I didn't think so.
Well, we can't still record ourselves, but it's
For real, bro. This rotary gang till we die. Just kidding.
Oh, I thought that was like a quilted. Did you put it in my face?
Think we can walk that thing? We can walk it, yeah. We're on a
Miata.
Yo, we just got off. It was off camera. It was off camera.
Off camera.
He got walked.
Cameras are off every time.
Yeah, every time he gets watched.
Imagine you driving like this.
Oh my god, bro.
I think I can set a time. Like you would hear him after.
Is that a Camry? Mobbin?
What's up?
That was a Camry, dude. That thing was mobbin, bro.
Was it burgundy?
It was blue.
Oh, okay, it's not that guy.
My boy was.
You're competing with another YouTuber?
Where? Shit, bro. For real?
Oh yeah, he just put the camera down.
Dude, I think. Wait, what car is that? I don't even know what car that is. Oh, it's MGB. The hatch version. Cause they have yeah, they have a convertible. Yeah, I've seen them. My uncle has a convertible, and I've never seen a hatch like that. It's pretty cool. The Thomas came up. Dude, I haven't seen Thomas in. Dude, I thought he was dead. Dang, man.
Yeah, hasn't been out much.
Dude, I thought you were dead, man. How you doing?
It's a common thread. Kinda am.
Shit. I saw your car sometimes in the lot, but I never was able to catch you.
Yeah, you shouted at me one time.
Oh yeah, I did. You heard me in the Prius. I was like, Thomas.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah. So.
I didn't wave. I've been up here like 5 times in the past 6 months.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I haven't been up. This is my first time up here in 3 months.
In the FD, you mean? Or just in a while?
In a while. Yeah. In a while. It's been a while. I came up with you guys sometimes, but
Dude, I've seen that car for 2 years. The wing changes it.
I know.
It really does. I mean, you've heard that a lot,
Yeah.
but like just the side profile, everything.
Yeah, the
totally
wing.
changes it.
Everyone can ignore the shitty paint. What's this? The wing? Huh?
The wing has nice paint.
It does, yeah, the wing has nice paint. I just had to find a good painter.
Look at Peter's car. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no, I was kidding. Yeah. Damn. Alright, so currently, oh, my lens is kind of dirty. That definitely did not help. But I got this cable in the mail today from Florida. It's basically it goes from the wideband into the ECU. So we gotta hook that in. Okay. Currently soldering the wires, so hope this works. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. And then
Put the sleeve over the top and see if that'll.
oh, the sleeve's definitely not going on because
Oh.
the metal's like
The flux. Yeah.
use a bigger one.
Yeah. Either use a larger one or try to smooth it out.
Okay.
I just.
Yeah. Okay, that looks a lot cleaner. That looks a lot cleaner now. You guys, looks way better. Alright, currently in my car, as you can see, I started the wire. The wiring's all the way over here. I cut the wrong wire at first because I second guessed myself because I got sent 2 different diagrams and I didn't know which one was which. The soldering is absolutely horrendous. I'm not even sure if this is gonna work. But yeah, let's hope this holds. Gives a connection. I have it wired in here, so you can see it's in the right input. It's in the serial input number 1 according to this diagram right here. Serial input 1. It even shows you like a little picture of where it's supposed to go. Okay, sorry guys. Alright, so my battery died. I know I said I was gonna resolder, but I'm too lazy. I'm just gonna fire it and see if it holds. That really crappy soldering, ignore it. So this is right. And the AFR here should be the same as here. Okay, so we have the AFR 12.8. Shit is not reading. Alright guys, so it is a new day. And I figured out the problem. So basically, this AM gauge, it has a secondary wire right here that plugs into the bottom. I guess I was like, I don't know, it was too like dark last night, or I didn't see it, because as soon as I pulled it out, it's so, look how, like, it doesn't even pull out any farther than this, so I have to undo the wire under here. That's like, I found it's zip tied in here, so that's why there's no slack on it, because when I pulled this gauge out, this wasn't even here, like, it was hidden in there, it was so tight. So look, I can't even pull it out anymore, so I can't put it in the back of this gauge because I can't pull it out. So what I have to do is now cut this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get my light. But basically, it's zip tied in right here. I don't know if you can see the zip tie right there. But yeah, it's zip tied right there. And I need to undo that so I can give it slack. And I also need to definitely, at a closer inspection, I definitely need to resolder the that wire because it looks like shit. So, all right, things are going pretty well so far. So I did get the, I really pulled on the cable, and luckily I got the boost gauge out. I had to pull off this little panel here because this was the line. I don't know if you guys see that, but this is the line, and there's like 0 slack to it for the analog gauge. So that's on. Gauge is in. I think it works. I can double check real quick. I can double check. Oh no, I can't because the car's off. But yeah, I'll show you guys after. But look at this. Look at this weld. Not weld, but look at this. This is a lot better. The soldering. This looks 20 here. Let me focus. Yeah, this looks 20 times better than what it did before. You guys see that? Yeah, it just looks a lot better. I had the tinfoil under, soldering gun. This, I used a little tape to hold the wire up so it stayed in one place. Yeah, pretty clean job. That should definitely have a solid connection. So finally tune it, and I'm just waiting on my tuner to tune my car. He's really busy right now, I guess, and yeah, I paid him up front, so maybe I shouldn't have paid him up front. Maybe I should have waited till after he tuned my car to pay him, but regardless, he's tuning it tomorrow evening, I hope. So yeah, hopefully I can get my car dialed in, at least drivable, because I haven't been able to drive it for like 2 years now properly, so I'm hoping he can get it right. But yeah, let's you fire it up real quick. Let's do that. And then the AFR gauge should read. So if I hooked it in correctly, which I'm 90% sure I did, that should read. What the yeah, that should read heat. So the sensor's in now, plugged in analog. I hope that this EC, I don't know if the pinout's right, but like according to my calculations, this blue wire is the serial output that's also hooked into that Adaptronic according to the thing, and I'm very confident in this soldering versus the old one yesterday. So yeah, now everything's tapped in, everything's wired in. Let me take this out. Everything's wired in. All that's left now is, okay, this is annoying. All that's left now is to get the car tuned. So yeah, it's waiting on Ryan to find some time to tune my car. But yeah, after it gets tuned tomorrow, I'll be able to drive it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this little video, and see y'all in the next one. Hopefully I'll be tuned by then. So till then.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that